ಕಾರೇ ಪಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಗ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಫೆಲ್? Are parked here. Rudra is here. This is Nitya's bike and that is Mary's bike. Folks, good morning. Welcome to day 2 in Kolli. So you guys see there, ne? That is the camping site for Kolli, and proper sunrise is happening. We are doing a small trek this way, like this, to a viewpoint there. It's cloudy, lot of haze. So we woke up at 6:30 and we saw it was super cloudy, so we didn't come here for sunrise. Yeah, now we'll go to the viewpoint, chill out there a bit. Guys, so we are leaving from Kolli Hills. This was the campsite which we were staying, Kolli campus. You can check them out on Google. Bikes are all loaded. Today we'll be going to Yelagiri Hills, which is around 200 kilometers, 210. I have to fuel up, by the way. So after fueling up, we'll descend Kolli Hills and we will ride towards Yellagiri. That's the plan for today. So I'll see you guys in GoPro mode. So I put another DJ mic here in the bag so that we'll get some exhaust note also. I'm trying all these things. We'll see. I looped the chain also. It was not required actually. There was a loop still there in the chain. So let's go. This is not locked. Nice. I have to fuel up also. More, I guess there is still around 5 liters, I guess. Close to 4.5 to 5 liters. But there is one Indian oil here. Let's get it fueled up. Today's distance will be 200 plus 215 something. We'll go to Yellagiri Hills and stay there for the night. Even there we are doing the camping setup. We have booked a campsite. Okay, I hope everything is in place. These things are locked. I put the mic here so that it gets the exhaust note. Another mic is inside my helmet for vlogging purpose. Aaryan and Nitya are also ready. So let's scoot. So ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಳಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. We have to get down the same way. Let's go. We are way behind the schedule, man. All because of you. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನೀನು ಮಲಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ. Finally, we started at 11:44. Yeah, we have started descending Kolli Hills. There is a lot of haze. Morning also we didn't see the sunrise because of haze and fog. ಕಾರ್ ಒಂದು ಬಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್, ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ್ರ. 900, now we are at 900 meters above sea level. Some cab guy. ಓ ಮಗ ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಗ, ಅದು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದಾರೆ ಜನ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ. K05 ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ஏதாச்சா இப்போ நடந்ததா? எப்படி இப்படியா? They are fine but with minor injuries. ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಟಾಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಕಲ್ಲಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಗುದ್ದಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂಪರ್ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗಿರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓ, ಕಾರ್ ಒಂದರ ಹೋದ. Now we'll do a 3.10 pakka. Yeah, nice. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವೀಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಬಸ್, ಸೊ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ದ ನೋಡ್ದ. ಅವು ಸ್ಮೂತ್. ಓಯ್ ಏನಂತ? Nitya's bike brake pads are heated, so the brakes are not responding. Ninth Hairpin bend. ಕಾರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಇದೊಂದು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4-5 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಆಂಟಿಗೆ ತಲೆಗೇನೋ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಏಟು. almost out. The exhaust note and the character, man, that is what makes this bike unique. Okay, this should end our chapter with Kolli Hills. Let's wait for them, folks. Oh, it is slipping the dry grass.